Hi guys,
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
it's your channel. I go to bed for that.
Huh? Hey, don't go too close to the camera. Come here. Step back. Okay. So, I made a blind box, my first ever blind box, because I usually make blind bags. So, I don't know. Mood cubes. Guys, it's kind of bad, but it's good, trust, okay? But like, I only made one. So, over here, it has happy, sad. Wait, can you do the emotions? So, happy.
Happy, sad, angry, excited, honey.
Okay, so, special guest here. Your mouth's kind of dirty, but whatever. And then, secret.
Secret.
Yeah, so we're going to be unboxing it today. So yeah. Okay, so let's open it together.
Okay.
Over here on the top, it has my mention or whatever, my app. And you have to just peel it this way. So are you ready? Which one do you want?
I can show you that. A red box.
What color? What color? Happy, sad, angry, shocked, excited, or lonely? Which one?
I need short, angry,
Or secret?
Secret.
You want secret?
Okay, a secret.
Okay. I honestly want excited, even though I know what it is. Okay, ready?
Excited.
Let's open it. I'm scared.
I did.
Okay, I did it. Is that shocked? Is that shocked?
Yes.
Okay, let's open it up. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Open it up. Ooh.
Ooh. Yes.
I think we got the secret. I think we got the secret. Look. Okay, guys, it's actually really good because I love the squish. It's very fun to make too. Can I squish it? Uh-oh. And, ooh, there's something else in it. Wait. Mixed. That's
Mixed.
the emotion. Mixed. And the rarity,
I do.
the rarity is the secret one.
I try to.
Okay, you guys, this is really good. Okay, move back. So, guys, so as you can see, there's happy, sad, lonely, excited, angry, and shocked.
Check.
This is the secret because it has all of them, I think. Yeah. Next. So this is what we got. You can also use this like as a little emotion device or something. I don't even know. But anyway, so this is it. Short little video because I'm going to be making more of these mood cubes and make different emotions, and maybe along with some other blind boxes, not just mood cubes. So,
Georgina watching.
bye.
Bye.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Bye, guys.
You have a booger.
Yeah, very good.
A booger in there. Yep. There's one.